Friends, hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change your public Instagram account into private account. So without wasting time, let's start video. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the Play Store and right here Instagram, and your Instagram account should be updated. After that, open it, and then you will see profile icon at the bottom. Click on it. After that, you will see three line on top right. Click on it, and here you will see setting option. Click on it, and here you will see privacy option. Click on it. Here you will see private account option. Click on it, and then click on switch to private. In this way, you can change your public account into private account. So guys, if this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.